The height of the building from the floor to roof should be less than 3 meters, and the thickness of the wall panels should be 100 millimeters or 75 millimeters. The wall system is suitable for the partition walls in unload bearing structure buildings. Example: residential buildings, commercial buildings, industry building, etc. Prepare all the accessories and tools before installing wall panel. Fixed bar, panel assembly cart, rubber hammer, multi-use hatchet, portable cutting machine, YTONG bucket, stemmer, spirit level, tool bag, hand saw, safety goggles, nail gun, AAC plan, AAC emery board, cement board, snap line box, and so on. According to the construction layout chart, snap the horizon lines and window door opening lines on the ground. Snap the horizontal and vertical control lines on the installation position on the surfaces of the concrete beam, floor slab, and both sides of the concrete column. Tear off the packaging on the wall panel, store it outside, and check for any breakage. Remove the pack clip on the wall panel. Carry the panels you need one by one with the panel assembly cart in order to protect them. Stabilize and cut accessories into a proper width on the panel assembly cart. Use the panel assembly cart to stick the panel up straight. Then use the fixed bar to adjust the location to ensure its verticality. Check the evenness with 2 meter spirit level. To make wall panel installation area controlled in within 3 millimeters. Plug the wood plugs on the bottom to stabilize the panel after every adjustment, and use the nail gun to stabilize the cannular connector on the structure. Between the 2 wall panels, use the YTONG adhesive mortar to bond. Fix the panels one by one, stabilizing each after adjusting one. When you start to install panels on both sides of the door opening, use 2 10 cm thick wall panels to be the resting panels for lintel. After the construction of the entire wall panel, the quality of the construction needs to be checked. Mount the panels with AAC plan and AAC emery board if there are any mistakes. Mount the unfilled corners using YTONG fixed mortar. After the construction is finished and the high quality is guaranteed, you should infill the end of the wall panels with cement grout at a ratio of 1:3. Pull out the wood plug after 24 hours and infill the cement grout into the plug hole. Infill the PE bar and PU foam into the joint between the panel edges and concrete columns. After the PU foam is solidified, use an art knife to make it flat and plaster fiberglass mesh onto both sides. According to the design requirements, apply the corresponding decoration materials on the wall panel surface.